So good morning, everyone. Today is 25th of October, so I'm going to be doing a lengthy training today. Now, this training is going to cover all the updates we've done for 2024. You understand? If we have any other update, we're going to create a different video for that. But for this video, is going to be lengthy, so I'm going to cover everything about Bekenet Trading software for forex, for crypto, for synthetic, everything that will make you be profitable using this app. That's what I'm going to show you guys today. So just fasten your seatbelts and just relax yourself. It might take up to 1 hour, it might take up to 2 hours, depending how fast I am, but it's going to be lengthy because I'm going to be explaining details so that once you watch it once and for all, you will understand it. Even a newbie can pick it up to do. So first thing first, this is the app. Okay, this is the app. We have a voice command for synthetic. We have a voice command for forest. The voice command is very, very simple. All you need to do to activate the voice command, just know how to read. Once you know how to read, you'll be able to use this application. If you know how to talk, speak good, not good English, just pronounce something, you'll be able to do it. So we're going to start with the voice command. Currently now I can't do the voice command because I'm using the mic to record this, but I'm going to demonstrate it to you how you'll be able to use it. So you see this, it said touch the mic for voice command. So you're going to touch this. Once you touch this, you're going to see a light at the top, depending on the kind of phone you're using. But just once you touch this, it's going to activate something. The command list are here for synthetic. Just say this word synthetic command list, it will load the page for you. So for it, just say show command list, it will load the page for you. All you need to do is just scroll down. Everything you're seeing here, you can instruct the software to do it for you. Let's say, for instance, if you want to know more about Bekenet trading software, look at it. Kindly make a statement with Becky trading software. It will tell you everything about the software, how profitable it is, and everything. It will tell you that. If you want to check your subscription, just say this word. Check forex subscription. It will tell you that. If you want to log out, just say the word log out. While you are tapping this thing, you only tap this once. It will write a statement for you that Bekenet is ready. Please speak to the mic. Just say any word here. You'll be able to. If you want to load risk management, you just click it, you load it, key level page. You want to check for signal for smash 100, just read, say check key, check bearish move. It will just generate the signal for you. So the voice command is very simple. The same thing with synthetic and the same thing with the crypto. Once you add the crypto to it, so everything is simple via the voice command. Even if you're in a public vehicle, you're in a flight, you're in a marketplace, so long you can talk and your app can record your voice, it will be able to generate signal for you in split of seconds. It's the fastest. In split of seconds, it will tell you everything that is happening on a particular pair. It will just list them out for you. So that is the first thing you need to know. But before this thing will happen, you must have an active subscription. It's only crypto that is free for life. When you use crypto, you start paying anything. So you must have an active subscription for forex or synthetic. You'll be able to use this voice command to do that. So once we are done with the voice command, so the next thing now that we're going to be doing is notification. There are sometimes you want to take a trade, but you always forget. You can program the app in case if you're sleeping, it will be able to notify you that a particular pair has started selling or a particular pair is about to sell. You just program it. So how do we do this? Just a simple notification. We have two forms of notification. We have the device notification, which deals with your data. We have the SMS notification, which has nothing to do with your data, just like your SMS alerts. You understand? Even if you're using a touchlight phone, so long you register that number with us, you'll be able to receive SMS alerts even wherever you are. Your phone will just be ping, ping, ping. All you need to do, check your message. You see either buy or sell. Then you follow the instructions. You understand? So we're going to set that. First thing first, we're going to activate our device notification. This is how to do it. First thing is very simple. The app is the simplest app whatsoever. So click on this three line, click it. notification. So I'm going to click it. Load a page for me. As you say, it's going to load a page for me. Once it loads this page for me, if you don't have the app, you can install the app directly from here. If you don't have it, you can just install with the URL, just install on your desktop and so forth and so on. Just install it there. So I'm going to click on this show notification menu. Once I click it, a menu will appear. All I need to do is click yes. Let's go back again. All I need to do is click yes. Look at it. All I need to do is to click yes. Once I click yes, I click OK, I click OK, I click OK, I click OK. My notification is blocked. Allow for this site. So I've allowed it. I'll refresh it again. Generate. OK, OK, OK. Then all you need to do, once you see this token, copy it. Copy it to the ending. Once you copy it, click here. Click this place. It will show you a page where you're going to paste it. So I'm going to click a page where I'll paste it. All I need to do is just paste it here. Then the next thing I need to do is to click this, submit. So once you copy that your token, all you need to do is just paste it here, click submit. You'll see it's going to generate a token, a message for you. So once you see this message that is being generated now, you can see this message that is being generated. It says Bekenet device, your device is connected. This shows that your phone is now connected to our server. So through this process, you can program your phone so that it can be getting signal and notify you via device notification. Very simple. You just be getting a pop-up message just like this. So once you're done with this, all you need to do is just click go back, and just go back to the main page. Now I have successfully activated my device notification. All I need to do, once I've done that, then the next thing I need to do, if I've loaded my pairs before, I'll just come here. Maybe you loaded your pair, all of a sudden the notification stop working. Just click this to fix all notification. It will just load everything back for you. Why the sniper entry, the smash 100 and all that, you load them manually yourself. So once I've done that, all the whole message will start coming in. So that is how you load your what you activate your device notification. So I'm going to click back. So we've succeeded in doing that, setting our device notification. We've done that. So the next thing we are going to do now is how to activate our SMS notification. It's very simple. The next thing you need to do is click here, SMS alert. Just click on this SMS alert. Steps are very simple. Click this menu here. Just put your number. I've already set mine. Just put your number. Just put any number, 234. Let me just put 234. Just put any number, then you click send. Put your number, then you send. Immediately you do that, if your number is not on D&D, you will receive a message telling you that your device, your phone number is connected to Bekenet server. Thereby you can be receiving SMS alert to your phone. It can be Nokia 10, any kind of phone at all. So long the SIM has been connected, you'll be able to receive notification. So that's that for that. Then the next thing you need to do, go to your SMS again. You must do this. Come here, set SMS alert. This thing you're only going to do it once. Click set alert, click here, just select this one. Look at it, select this guy, advanced key level. That's the only thing you're going to select here. So I'm going to click it. Just click connect. That's all. That's the only thing you need to do. You are connected for life. So we have successfully connected our SMS and our device notification, and we've done our, what's it called, voice command. So the next thing now, we're going to focus on what are the things that is going to make us to be profitable. Now this software is too advanced, is way too advanced, that how am I going to put it, a newbie can use it, a pro can use it. So we have the one that is suitable for the newbie and the pro trader who does not like stress, just like me. I don't like stress. So if you don't like stress, I'm going to show you what you're going to focus on, be it forex, be it synthetic, be it crypto. We have the smash 100, we have the key level, we have the high and lows. These three setup that I just mentioned is more than enough to generate millions for you if you follow the rules and regulation. So before we do that, I am going to show you the risk management, because if you know all these things without risk management, you're still going to lose your money. Even if Jesus Christ gives you signal, without your risk management in place, you will still accuse Jesus Christ that is the one that gave you money that blew up your account. So right here, we don't blow account, we don't overtrade our account, we only trade according to our account. If we have $100, we're going to use a specific lot size for that. So we have a risk management for forex, we have a risk management for synthetic, and the synthetic one is a video. So once you subscribe, we'll share the video to you so that you watch it. But for forex, for this training, we have the software right here. So I'm going to show it to you. So how do you set up your risk management? It is very simple. All you need to do, just come here, click this guy, price alert indicator. You click it, you see a lot of menu here. Just focus on this guy here. Look at it. Risk management. Risk management is very simple. So I'm going to talk about normal account and prop firm, should in case you have a prop firm account. The software is very good. It can pass any prop firm. It's profitable, though it is not 100%, but out of 50 trade, you'll be able to win 40 if you apply proper risk management very well. So this is the risk management we use. I'm going to click on it. It is very simple. Click on this blue icon. Put your equity, just put your equity. Let's say you're using $100. Put it, click calculate. You are expected to use just 0.01. Okay, 0.01. That is what you're expected to use. And our stop loss is wide. The reason why we use a wide SA is that to give the market enough room for it to breathe. We don't use tight stop loss here. If you want to get the same result I'm getting, you must follow the rule to the T. You understand? To the letter. We use 50 to 80 pips. In fact, we use 80 pips stop loss. That's what we use. 80 pips stop loss, so that we have enough room for that. So thereby you use what? This lot size 0.01 for $100. In case if you hit SL, you have nothing to panic about. And even if you're having a drawdown, you have what? Nothing to panic about. So this is the rules to use our risk management. Just put your equity here. If you have $1,000, put it here. Just click calculate. This is the recommended lot size you are expected to use. You're not expected to do anything more than this. One position is okay. One position is okay. Like I say, one position is okay. Is more than enough for you to make money. You understand? But if you're using a prop firm account, let's say you have a prop firm of $50,000. Now this $50,000, their drawdown is always what's it called? 5,000. So is the 5,000 your drawdown? That is what you're going to put here. So if I have a $50,000 account, my drawdown is going to be 5,000. So the system is going to calculate a lot size for 5,000 for you. So with this process, you'll be able to pass your prop firm without stress. You're going to pass your prop firm without stress using this software by following the rule. That is that for what? Risk management. Let me repeat again. Risk management is very simple. Put your equity here, click calculate, it will generate the lot size you're expected to use. That's all. You place your stop loss and all that. So the next thing we're going to be talking about now is what are the tools that actually generate money for us. Like I told you, we have what? The swing trade, we have the key level, we have the high and low. Now, these are the things you need to know. This is where we're going to focus on. These are the automated aspects that can tell you specifically when to buy and sell. It can be voice note, it can be notification and all that. Then we have the advanced tools, which is called the trend direction, neutral trend, key level, that you can use to generate signal by yourself. But we still have a strategy on that, but it's not as accurate as these three that I want to show you, which is a smash 100, which is a high and low, which is a key level. Those ones are our selling points. These ones are the ones that I use to brag anywhere in the world. This is what I used to brag. This is what you saw on my Facebook page that made you to come. This is the setup we use. Trend direction, turning points, and all those are tools that you can add up to the system, or what you know, to make more money into the system. So those tools are not for beginners. You understand? But I'm still going to talk about it. But this one that I'm showing you here, newbie, beginner, old school, professional can use it, because it's a system that will help you analyze everything. You don't need to draw anything on your chart. You don't need big screen. All you need is just your phone and your MT5. That's all. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. It is very simple. It's the simplest whatsoever. If you cannot read, you can use your voice command. If you can read, it's very simple. So we're going to start with this. We're going to start with this guy here, which is swing trade. We're going to start with swing trade. We're going to start with what? Swing trade, which is the father of them all, followed by this key level, then followed by high and low. So we're going to start with what? Swing trade. So let's get started. So I'm going to click on swing trade now. As you can see, we have a lot of functions here. Don't get yourself confused. It's very, very simple. Just relax yourself and follow me step by step. So we're going to go into this. This and this, they are the same thing. These two, they are the same thing. We just added it there for some future upgrade and all that. Both of them are the same thing. So you can click any of them. Are you hearing me? You can click any of them. So let's start with any one. I'll just click any one. The page will load. All of them has the same template. So if you understand this one, you'll be able to understand high and low. You're going to understand key level. You understand? I'm going to explain everything for you. This is just the three things that you need to make money without stress. That is what I'm using. That is what all my subscribers are using. You understand? After this, I'm going to show you the advanced aspect that you need knowledge about forex to use. But this one, you don't need to know anything. Don't need to know anything. The accuracy is way more than 85%. You understand? But it is not 100%, meaning that we can hit stop loss sometimes, but our winnings is always higher than our losses. So once you're done with that, click on this button. Once you click on this button, you see a drop down. This is a drop down. These are all the hopers. Now this thing is related to both forex and synthetic. So I'm going to be using forex for the explanation. So if you're a synthetic trader, go to your portal. The same thing what you're seeing here is the same thing. So you have to click this. Once you click this, select any of your pair. Just select any pair that you want to get the signal from. Let me use Euro JPY for instance. I'll click this Euro JPY. I'll just click it. It's going to give me detailed analysis of what is going on. The only thing I am going to focus on, don't get yourself worked up with all this. Okay, don't get yourself worked up with all these things that you're saying. Don't get yourself worked up with all this. The only thing you need to focus on, let me label it for you: trend direction. Look at it. This is the thing you need to focus on: trend direction and numbers of candle finish. Just these two things. That is the only thing you need. Look at it. Not this guy. You don't have any business here. You see the one I'm canceling it. You don't have any business here. These are for technical issues, to know what is going on with the software and all that. You understand? It's not for consumers base. This is for the technical team to know if the software is working very, very well. What your focus is just this trend direction. I repeat, trend direction, or trend DIR, which is the trend direction, and numbers of candle finish. That is your job. That's what you're here to look out for. If you do not see the things I'm going to show you, you move to another pair. Now let me tell you what you need to look out for. In this trend direction, you see it, write it out: up move, up, sorry, up move. It will spell it like this: up, up, MOVE, up, and move. It will spell like this: up move. Then if that up move is telling you that price is on a bullish direction or price is buying, simple as ABCD. Then if you see another one telling you down, move, very simple. If you see anything down, move, it's telling you your price is going down. This principle applies with crypto and synthetic. No difference. It's telling you price is going down or price is about to sell. So once you see this, the next thing you're going to focus on, what is the numbers of candle. These numbers of candles specify the time it started selling. If you see zero, meaning that it started selling now. If you see one, it means that it has started selling 1 hour ago. If you see two, it has started selling 2 hours ago. So the only time you're expected to take a trade when you see up move or down move is when the candle is between 0, 1 or 2. Anything more than 2, you shouldn't take that trade again. That means price has started selling for long. You shouldn't take what? That trade again. You shouldn't take what? That trade again. You are only expected to take the trade when you're seeing up move or down move here, which is buy or sell. You come here, look at the candle, either 0, 1 or 2. Currently now the candle is 3. Even if I see a signal here, I am not going to take it. The signal simply means here you are expected to see up move. He will write it like this, up move for you. But now you are seeing none, meaning that there is nothing here. You are seeing what? None. There is no signal. All you need to do, move to the next pair. Now let me see if I can get any signal from any pair. Let me see. Let me see if I can get anyone so that you can understand this thing better. No signal yet. No signal on smash 100. There's no signal for smash 100. There's no signal for smash 100. So that is how you need to spot it out. Up move, down move, up move, down move. Trend direction must be up move, must be down move before you can take any signal. It's as simple as what? ABCD. That is what you need to look out for. Yeah, this is a very, very good example. This is what New Zealand JPY. What you need to look out for, look at it. You see the way it spelled it out here? Trend direction, down move, numbers of candle is already 16. So this pair has been dropping for 16 hours. Now look at the pips. Had it been you spotted it when it was 0 candle, you would have been in profit of 77 pips. That is how it is. What you see is what you get. I'm telling you for fact. You understand? We have a lot of evidence. We have over 230 traders that have paid money to use this software, and we have over 240 traders that are using the free crypto aspect. What you see is what you get. So that is what you need to look out for. Now that you are seeing trend direction here, down move, numbers of candle is 16, so we cannot take this trade. Had it been we spotted numbers of candle to be 0 or 1 or 2, 0, 1 or 2, we can take a sell immediately without stress, without panicking. Is that understood? Then if we see up move here, numbers of candle should be 0, 1 or 2. Anything more than 2, we cannot take that trade again. Now that we've gotten it, let's assume now that we've gotten a signal for this guy. The signal is 0. The next thing we need to do, there's what we call the inbuilt chart. This inbuilt chart help us to filter out the trade. You understand? To know if we're going to buy or sell. The inbuilt chart is like a guide to know if price is close to a resistance or a support. So if it tells us to buy, we are going to be looking up. If there is a resistance on top of our head, if there is a space from where we are to the next resistance, if there is no space, we cannot take that trade. But if there is a space, we'll be able to take it. Well, now that it's telling us to sell, and the candle is 0, we are going to be looking downwards, meaning that we are selling. We're going to be looking downwards to check if price is already close to a support. If it's close to a support, we are not going to take the trade. But if where the support is very, very far and where we are is very far from the support, we are going to take that trade. So the next thing we need to do, we are through with smash 100. We are through with smash 100. The next thing we're going to do is click here. Very simple. Click here, back. Do you understand? Click here, back. I'm going to chart. Very simple. Very, very simple. It will load the chart for you. This chart is different. It's unique on its own. We use it to check if price is close to a resistance and support. We don't use this chart to take signal. We don't use this chart to generate signal. Our signal only comes from smash 100, key level,